This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video. Today we are taking a look at this camping table. So camping and coffee table. They give you a kind of design paper where you can set this up in multiple different ways. I think for us, we're just going to kind of customize it. So it's really not that hard to put together according to what others have said. Your table comes with its own little bag. So that's pretty cool. I love the color. Interesting. It looks like you could stake this into the ground. So the thing that's hanging underneath here, that you would actually stake down into the ground, and that's going to hold your unit from toppling over. For example, you could use it as long as it's not windy and as long as you don't knock it over, but as you can see, it can knock over. But if you'd have that staked down to the ground, I mean, you bump it, it's gonna stay. I mean, even on two legs, it's staying. So that's actually a nice feature added. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's slotted, so it's breathable. And of course, now you guys can set this up however you want. So let's see, there's gonna be, again, it's very nice. And of course, taking it apart is a breeze. So watch this, guys. One piece, two piece, three piece, bag, zippered. Take a look at this, guys. Carrying bag, everything's in there. You want to go ahead and put all your other pieces in, that's no problem. Not bad for my first time doing this. So they also give you your chain for hanging different stuff in pots and all that fun stuff as well. And we probably could put that inside the bag. Some accessories can go inside there. The little accessory pouch for the chain. In fact, we're going to put the manual and everything in the bag. I think it would be good to keep that. Zipper's a little wonky. You got to be careful to not catch the actual plastic, the gray felt, or not felt, but the gray piece, which we did. So you got to kind of tuck that down in for the zipper. There's like this gray lining that can catch with the zipper. Besides that, we're ready to go. It's lightweight, easily portable. You probably might want to put like a rubber band around to keep it from rattling, or else. So just put like a rubber band around at the top. But very nice, guys.